fly past here, I catch you. You know. Then you go off roading one time.
I went off roading crazy. Yes, we talking about Ultima Chronicles. So people with Ultimas do the wildest things. This guy over here off roading, CVT transmission flipping.
Then you had like a whole matte front end.
Yeah.
That was just new
Not
parts.
the fenders gloss black because it looked good. I have a statistically 1 in every 5 Ultimas you see has an unpainted front or rear bumper.
Yes.
Or a bolt hole. Or both. Yeah.
Or 200 and
also
1,000
statistically,
miles.
no, those transit don't matter. 7 out of 10 Ultimas that you see have a bejazzled steering wheel or the plate frame.
Well, that's because it's a woman driving.
Hey, I don't know who's driving.
I don't know who's driving.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I've seen a whole bunch of them driving with a dude.
Yeah.
But it'd be his girl car.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's the, hey, let me hold your keys real quick car.
Yeah. Yep. Well, let me drop you off at work. And I'm gonna take that car. Yep.
Yeah. Sponsored by Nissan Altima.
Pretty much.
I mean, don't quote me, but I'm like 100% sure those statistics are correct. Oh, they gotta be. They gotta be in the ballpark. The Toyota equivalent of an Altima.
Camry. Or
quality wise, or just talking about like.
Nah, I don't think.
Camry or
Camry is Maxima. Maxima and Camry, I think. Are
then
like
Corolla.
Because there's no Maxima that's a 4-cylinder.
Avalon and Maxima.
Oh no, well the Avalon is just a Camry, just an upgraded Camry.
No,
Exactly. So is the Maxima to the Altima.
The Avalon is the Maxima.
Oh,
and
you're right. Okay.
The Camry is to the
Ultima.
Ultima. And then the Corolla is to the
Sentra. When them 2018 Camrys dropped, boy, with the red interior, yeah.
Hey, I'm pushing like what? 280?
You were not pushing
280?
Why you
You were
lying on
pushing
camera?
280 out the boat.
175 max.
Whoa, it's 185. It's
I'll
185.
give you 175.
You're pushing the same amount of miles your motor guy.
That's pretty much what you're pushing.
186. He the type of person to tell you to what's the other KPMH? Arcade. What's it? Ah man. The kilometers per hour.
Oh.
Yeah, I was hitting 180 on the highway the other day, really going 100 miles per hour.
I was hitting 180 on that boy.
Pretty much.
Somebody look up these
What are
facts.
you doing? What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
Is he drifting?
Yes, sir.
In Mexico?
That man is on a straight line.
Oh, and then I hit the side.
Oh Lord, he went
wait,
back.
is that the Ultima?
Yeah, that's my Ultima.
Oh, that's the Ultima.
Oh
Oh.
my God.
Why are you even on the dirt road in the Ultima?
Why not?
Where are you even at? You know what? We'll not say that on
Wait, it gets cooler. Right here. I thought I was gonna crash right here. Saved it.
So you just swinging it back and forth.
Yeah. Drifting.
Where is that? What does that lead us? Until we start seeing the exotic rentals.
Oh
The
yeah.
Ferrari
That crashed last year?
fire? Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, didn't he like run into a house?
Yeah, on third.
Boy, I would have been on my bed talking about.
I'm about to put a picture of
arm
that.
and my leg.
Marble
This
interior.
fitment kind of trash.
The fitment is
It's
amazing.
in the air, bro.
It's in the air, bro. What is it doing? why he crashing the Lexus, bro?
I'm gonna show y'all some real fitment real quick. Look at that rear fitment, boy. Real fitment. Look at that.
Oh, dang, that's so crazy. What's all the space between the wheel and the...
Well, that's
There's
cause
a lot going on here.
I got my other wheels going on Friday. Just wait.
Didn't I see this on Your Fitment is Whack?
On Facebook?
On Facebook. Your Fitment is Whack.
Nah, we ain't gotta open the door. Nah, we ain't gotta open the door. Yeah, nah.
Close that. That's because you're part Ultima owner. You know what I'm saying? That's that Ultima life.
Ultima Energy.
That Ultima Coupe. You got that Ultima Coupe.
Oh yeah, remember when I beat you in that race in the camera?
You remember when the Jeep walked you in your Volkswagen and when the Camry beat you from a 40?
All right, we gonna take that out the video.
Oh, no, you gotta get beat by the Camry.
First off, the Camry beat me in a 40 roll without a countdown. Unfair. But I beat you in the dig. Just saying.
Bro, any race involving a Camry, there is. If the Camry
A 4-cylinder in a car beating a 4-cylinder turbo car.
Hey, I wasn't ready on the first countdown. You ain't say nothing.
Only purpose
Plus-
is to get good gas mileage and not break.
First off, I get amazing gas mileage. City like 18 to 20.
That's nice.
Highway, I'm like 30.
Hey, look, make sure you're not quoting kilometers to you, bro.
Hey,
Yeah, that's kilometers per mile.
bro.
Yeah. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
No way.
Look at this.
No way.
Look at this. Look at this. Quit playing.
Oh.
That luxury, boy. That's luxury, my boy.
That is luxury.
Yeah. Yeah. Not playing no games. It's real nice.
That interior crazy though.
And the headliner is suede. Yeah, feel that. Feel that. It's nice. And the rear seats are heated.
Let's just do that one more time.
Oh, your rear seat's heated. See, I
seats
just
heated.
got the front heated.
Front seat heated and cool. Every door.
I'm gonna suck when this shit breaks.
I mean,
They don't
it's
break.
still-
It's Lexus, Toyota.
It's still gonna close though.
It's gonna close regardless. It's definitely gonna close regardless. But you know what? It has the soft close.
The trunk too?
Yes. Everything soft close, baby.
Damn, bro.
Everything. Luxury all the way around.
Well, you went to school in like what, 1952?
No, sir.
Oh no, that's your brother.
What you not gonna do? Okay. I graduated in 2009.
God, boy, he was 5. I think I was in middle school still. Yeah, cause I graduated in 2016.
2022.
You graduated this year.
Yeah, I was saying this year. Are you old enough to be on the block? We gotta get you to sign a waiver.
18, I think 18 viewers discretion.
Viewers discussion required. So yeah, can y'all make sure I don't rip my bumper off pulling this thing out?
Shout out to the Stance boys. It doesn't matter if you're bagged or static. We love the community all in general.
What about lowering springs?
You know what? That's it. That's for, we'll use that as beginners.
What about washers?
You live in a sketchy lifestyle, but we don't knock those people who run washers.
What about no suspension, running straight struts?
That's a little sketchy, but we still go for, well, hey, if that's what you want to ride.
What about cut springs?
Cut springs is kind of sketchy. That's really sketchy. Yes, sir.
I thought he was trying to see the luxury
Who?
to keep the sun off of him. Look behind you. We're gonna keep the, you know what I'm saying, keep the sun off you.
That, he got
If
it.
your back get warm, you know,
You already got it turned on.
heat yourself, heat your seat. You know what I mean? You know, you got your cup holder, got your ashtray. You know what I mean? We got the ashtray because 2004, a lot of smoking was happening. You know, you can charge your phone from the back too.
And light a blind.
Whatever you gotta do. I didn't condone that one, but you know, whatever you gotta do.
Yeah, we're part of the DARE program here.
Yeah, we are part
Yeah,
of
we don't.
you know, we got navigation.
He looked like a chauffeur.
I do not.
He really do. The black polo.
What you not?
Then they're gonna be thinking we will drop people off at their house.
No, airport. We only do airport drop-offs.
Okay. It's $100. Round trip.
Gonna do 200.
That's what I'm saying, like 200. Yeah, you saying luxury? You got the convertible wind visor. You got the heated seats in the back.
It's luxury. All the windows are auto, by the way.
Brandon about to see me get 32. Everybody here owns a VQ and don't know how to do this.
Hey, buddy. My car came with intakes.
So yours is going in front of the bumper, right?
Yeah. Like, how does it not go like this?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. I feel like,
Boy, yeah, that one do look. That look exactly right.
This one. Thank you. I knew there was something.
That's what he said in the beginning.
That's what I said. I knew something was off about it.
That's
Cause I'm like,
weird, because why is the sensor like that? But I mean, I guess
What you mean?
makes sense.
That's,
It's something
yeah.
wrong.
It slides in a lot easier.
Yeah, but then
It go. Make bro.
hey.
No.
Lower tone.
Sorry.
How many people take to put on an intake?
17.
At least we got VQs and they not slow.
So,
Okay.
we're not in the same section.
Yeah, we always doing some different things.
So what made you switch up your intakes?
Power.
Because those are, look at them.
Look at that dog shit over there. Sorry, you're gonna have to bleep that out.
But is it though?
These are long butter
Bro, those get
intakes.
so much heat soak.
And those are low.
Yeah, now these gonna be in the front, so all the
Shouldn't
cold
really
air.
matter
Oh, it's
because-
because you have a DE. I forgot.
I don't know
Oh.
about that sauce.
That sauce?
That V-H-R.
You know what? Don't worry about it because when you out here getting whooped by D, aka, don't worry about what's gonna come next year.
Oh, next
What?
year.
The year almost over.
That's what I'm saying.
We in
So you better
October.
get ready. He on his
Oh,
bike like.
my bad. He
on
was
it.
talking about this bag setup for like half a year now.
That's fine. You gonna get beat by something that's back end boosted.
I just hop on the bike real quick though.
That's fine.
Yeah, that bike. Yeah,
Little
that
3K.
bike will leave you.
Little
It's
3K.
a bike.
Alright then, still a bike though.
Okay, and then if I get somebody that got an R6 or R1,
No, you gotta get somebody else now in this shit.
I don't ride bikes.
Oh my god.
I don't ride bikes.
Oh my god.
It don't matter. Devontae's slow on feet too.
Damn. Why he coming at us like this? Though?
I ain't coming.
Like what's
You
up
came
with
at me. You said, oh, yeah. Oh, you wouldn't know because you got a DE.
I mean,
And there you go.
it's true though. It's true though.
I do have
You
DE.
realize you gotta tighten that before you put it in.
Oh, look at this. This is the HR owners over here. Yeah.
Actually, I figured it out.
Nah, hey.
No. This is a 3.7 owner right here.
Oh, you.
Yellow,
Oh, sorry. You
3.5.
got 3.5. Oh, okay.
I'm in between y'all, so you know.
Okay, so you in between. Okay. All right. I give you that one. I give you that one. I give you that one.
After 2 hours.
2 hours?
No, James. Thank you.